Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you hands-on insights into the smartest buys for your everyday needs. Today, we're talking about the best wheelchair wheel covers you can get your hands on. The Wheelchair Spoke Guard with Storage Pocket Pouch by rainbowstar. If you're someone who uses a wheelchair or cares for someone who does, this might just be the functional upgrade you've been looking for. Let's dive right into what makes this product stand out. First off, protection. This spoke guard is specially designed to act as a safety barrier between your hands and the wheel spokes. It minimizes the risk of accidentally jamming your fingers, breaking a nail, or causing any discomfort while maneuvering your wheelchair. It's a simple but incredibly effective solution, especially during long usage or when adjusting the wheels frequently. Installation is a breeze. With 8 reflective hook and loop straps, the spoke guard attaches securely and quickly to standard 24-inch wheelchair wheels. These straps are not just for fastening. The reflective feature makes you more visible during early morning or evening outings, which adds a layer of safety when you're on the move. Now let's talk convenience. One of the standout features is the built-in zipper pocket. It's integrated seamlessly into the cover, providing a smart little storage space for your essentials, maybe a phone, wallet, tissues, or keys. No need for bulky bags hanging off the armrest. Everything stays close, safe, and easy to reach. Made from strong black water-resistant fabric, this spoke guard is practical too. Spills or dirt? No problem. Just wipe it clean with a damp towel, and you're good to go. It's made to handle everyday messes without any fuss. Aside from being functional, it adds a touch of personality. Whether you're going for a sleek look or just want something that doesn't scream medical equipment, this cover brings a stylish edge to your ride. And if you want to take it a step further, rainbowstar encourages you to personalize your wheels, making them uniquely yours. In summary, the Wheelchair Spoke Guard with Storage Pocket Pouch combines safety, practicality, and a hint of flair in one smart design. From hand protection to storage, quick install, and easy maintenance, it's a thoughtful accessory for any wheelchair user. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. If you're interested in more reviews of smart and useful products like this one, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon. Until next time, stay safe, stay smart, and keep rolling forward.